I'm doing the nature ride again because last time I did, I fell. So this time I'm having her push me and be more controlled. And you know how it is. Let's hope and pray I'll be safe. Okay, let's go. I don't have a helmet on this time, so I actually can't fail. Gotta turn. This is actually not that bad. Go. Ow, that hurts. Oh my gosh, it's going faster than last one. Oh my gosh! Oh no! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yo. It's going way too fast. But I went farther than I did last time. Because you know how it... Oh my gosh. Candy, Conde.